For decades, Americans were told to avoid it. Doctors warned against it. Vegetable oil replaced it on nearly every shelf. But in 2026, beef tallow is back, showing up in grocery stores, on restaurant menus, and across social media, marketed as a healthier choice than the oils that replaced it. So, what actually happened? Beef tallow, the rendered fat from cattle, was a cooking staple for generations, long before vegetable and seed oils became the industry standard in the mid-1900s. As health guidance shifted toward reducing saturated fat, tallow fell out of favor, replaced almost entirely by vegetable, canola, and soybean oil across restaurants and home kitchens alike. That shift was significant. Fast food chains, including one of the most famous French fry recipes in the country, originally used beef tallow for frying before switching to vegetable oil in the 1990s over health and cost concerns. Now, some of that guidance is being publicly reconsidered as more research questions the health effects of heavily processed seed oils. Whole Foods named tallow one of its biggest predicted food trends for 2026, citing renewed interest in traditional, minimally processed fats. Online, the trend has been amplified by home cooks and creators promoting tallow as a high smoke point, nutrient-dense alternative to modern seed oils, often citing nose-to-tail, less processed eating as the appeal. Nutrition science on saturated fat is still actively debated among researchers, and tallow isn't automatically healthier just because it's older. But its return to grocery store shelves says something bigger about where food trends are heading in 2026. A renewed interest in ingredients that predate the modern processed food aisle entirely. This has been Food Pyramid. If this changed how you look at the fat aisle, subscribe, because we're tracking these trends as they develop,